Wow, has it really been a whole month since I posted a Poundland haul? I really just can't believe it. Where has the time gone? Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new around here, my name's Amanda, and today guys I have a Poundland haul for you. So I've got lots of goodies in this bag. This bag is also from Poundland. I've got a whole set of new shopping bags ready for the King's Coronation here in London. So yeah, I've picked up one of those as well. So yeah, the bag is full of goodies guys. I'm going to be pulling things out just randomly because the lovely assistant this morning popped everything in the bag for me, ready to take it home, and it's been in there ever since. So I'm going to take them out and show you what I picked up today in Poundland. So guys, if you are new here, do consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button somewhere down there. I post weekly videos. I have a lifestyle channel, so if that's your vibe, do go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get into today's haul. So the first items I picked up were some stickers. These are still £1 for 2 in Poundland. These ones are the star stickers. I picked these up for my son Oakley. He's got a birthday party coming up. We're going to be playing some games. So I've got this for a game that I have in mind. Yeah, so two packs of stickers for £1, which I think is absolutely brilliant. So yep, so I've got those. Also pulling out of the bag, I picked up some of the Lenore tumble drying sheets. I absolutely love these for using around the house. I don't actually own a tumble dryer, but I use these like just to freshen up areas in the house, in the linen cupboard, my linen drawer and all of that, you know, cushions and all of that. Those. I also picked up some of my favourites, so Floras. I think I did pick up another one. This one is the linen fresh one. I also picked up my favourite one, which is the cypress and sea sage. Can't get enough of this. It's absolutely a gorgeous scent. It smells really like lemony, fresh, really like a lovely fresh scent. So I got that as well. Okay. So also I picked up one of these. Now I had my eye on one of these in B&M. Okay, B&M are actually selling these for £4, exactly the same. £4 B&M are selling it for. Found this in Poundland, which is, I think, is my special buy for today's haul. This was £1 in Poundland, guys. And what it is a orchid mister. So this is to spray your plants, your indoor plants. And I just absolutely love the aesthetics of it. You know, just have it on the side. You know, I don't think I think I own one real plant in my house. You guys know that I absolutely love a faux plant. So yeah, I just got this to use in my office. I've got this like money plant in my office, and I've got this to spray on there because I've seen, like, now that the weather is becoming warmer, little flies are starting to sort of hover around the plant. So I'm gonna get some of that plant stuff and spray it, you know. Really nice, actually. Nice aesthetics, love that. That was £1, okay guys. So I got that as well. I also picked up some of this multi-purpose spray paint, and this is in the black matte finish. I've got some containers that I want to try and spray paint, and they're really good containers. I just don't like the colour of them, so I'm going to give this a try. Now, I read on the back of this is actually good for wood, metal and plastic. So my containers are actually plastic, so I'm going to just give this a try. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, you know, but it's worth to give it a try. This came in at £2.50. It's quite a large can, 400ml. Yes, I'm just going to give that a try on my plastic containers. Okay, so got that. I also picked up one of these. Now, I had one of these and I think I left it at my friend's house. We were like doing each other's hair, dyeing each other's hair. And I think I left it there, but it's absolutely fine because I'm glad that Poundland still actually do this. Now this is a dye bowl set. So you get the bowl to mix up your dye with, and it comes with these 3 brushes, which I think is really good because this is still £1, guys. Okay, so I picked up another one of those. I also picked up one of these concealers. I absolutely love this concealer by Poundland. It's the correct tone for under my eye and also just for covering up some blemishes. This is the Hide and Seek, and I think this is in the colour, I think it's chestnut, if I remember rightly. I think this is a chestnut colour. So yep, so I've got one of those as well, and that is still £1. Okay, I also picked up some Biscoff biscuits. We absolutely love these. This is also still £1 for this large value pack in Poundland. Okay, so I've got that as well. A couple of random items. Picked up some sellotape, because this is still £1 in Poundland, guys. You get 2 rolls of the thick brown sellotape. And I also picked up another roll of this fragile tape. Now these are absolutely brilliant for like when you're, of course, when you're packaging up. You all know that I've been decluttering and getting rid of things and selling stuff as well. So when I send my parcels, I like to wrap them up really nicely. And if I'm sending anything fragile, I will just pull it off that bit there that says fragile, cut it off, and then stick it onto the parcel. Okay, so of course the postman, the delivery guy, knows that it's something fragile inside. So in the garden section, I picked up this lovely flower pot or plant pot. Now we're not actually going to be using this as a plant pot. I've actually got this to put drinks in, like in the summertime. You know, just going to fill it with ice and just put some cans in there so we can just reach them easily without having to go into the fridge every time. Now I have got one of these drink trolley things that we used last year, but to be fair, it is quite bulky. It's really good for like when you're doing parties, but if it's just like for myself, hubby and little Oakley, just going to put our little drinks in there, top it up with ice, and then you've got a nice drinks cooling bucket. So that's what we're going to use this for. And I think this was also £1. It's quite a good size as well, so I got that. I also picked up some of my favourite kitchen cleaner, which is the Zesty Lemon by Astonish. Absolutely love this product. You know, it goes a long way, and this is still £1 as well. The rest of the items I'm going to show you are self-care product, because I do really need to do some self-care, guys. I've got this hydrating vitamin E face mask. That was also £1. I also picked up some of my favourite face wipes. This is the Sensitive Complete Cleansing Wipes. These are 50p, guys, and you get 25 wipes in the pack. Okay, so I've got those. I also picked up this new lip balm. This is Human Plus Kind lip balm. That was £1 as well. I haven't actually tried this brand before. It's a vegan lip balm with vanilla. So yeah, I thought I'd give that a try. I also picked up some new hand creams that Poundland have introduced. So I picked up this one, which is vitamin E. And then I've also picked up a Shea Butter one. And these are also £1 each in Poundland. They're 60ml each, and they're good size just to put into your handbag. Okay, so I've got those. And then the last item that I picked up are these bunion protectors. Yes, guys, I have a bunion which has which niggles at me every now and again on my left foot. So I picked these up just to really help me when I'm wearing my shoes, my Converse and so on. You know, it's not, I don't really think it's a bunion as such. Well, it's a kind of like the beginning of a bunion. So I'm wearing like comfortable shoes to correct it, and things like this just to give me a little bit more comfort. So yeah, so you get a pack of 5 bunion protectors, and these are £1 in Poundland. Okay, I did say that was the last item, but I just want to show you guys this lovely bag that Poundland have introduced for the King's Carnation. This is also £1. They also had the Union Jack one. They had a few different types one, but I just thought I'd get this one. Being a London girl, I thought I'd get this one. So it's got the Big Ben, Parliament, and you've got some London buses on there as well. Red London buses. I think that's absolutely gorgeous bag. And I thought this would be really nice to give to like your friends or your family members who may be coming over to the UK to celebrate the King's Carnation. You can fill the bag up with some goodies and give it to them, you know. Yeah, so that's just £1, guys, in Poundland. Guys, that's my last item from today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Take care, keep well, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.